Hello everyone. As we start chapter 6, we're going to be reviewing in a different way the following new vocabulary and also following some exercises through this video. The purpose of this video is not only to help you to learn new vocabulary but also to have the video as a reference for future study and practice. Okay, in chapter 6, that's the one that we are starting today, we're talking about items of the hogar. Hogar means home. And I'm going to make a pause here to change to Kami PDF. Okay, hogar, dulce hogar. This is a typical expression when we mention in Spanish about home, sweet home. Hogar is home, dulce hogar, sweet, dulce, sweet hogar. Okay, so we're going to move to the vocabulary that we have at the home, items in the home, and other words here. So, arriba means above. El techo means the roof, techo, roof. Ventilador is fan. Bombilla is bulb. El ático, attic. El bisabuelo is the great grandfather. El cuadro is the picture frame. El armario es el closet. El mueble is the furniture. La escoba over here is the broom. La cortina is the curtain. El aire acondicionado, el air condition. El despertador is the clock, alarm clock. Now, despertador comes from the word despertar. Despertar is to wake up. We got mama, papa, and we still have here a couple of other items. El sillón rayado. Sillón is the couch, and rayado, stripe, the stripe couch. El piso de madera, which is the wooden floor. La alfombra, the carpet. La chimenea, the chimney. El sótano here would be the basement. El lavadero, the wash room. And we got secadora. Secar is to dry, so the dryer. And lavadora, the washer. And abajo means below. So we got abajo, below, as opposed to arriba. Arriba and abajo. Those two are contrary to each other. So, mueble o comida. Okay. We're gonna skip this, but mueble means means furniture, and comida means food. Let's continue here. This is an illustration of mi hogar. It says number 3, and this is an exercise I want you to identify. According to the example, what cuarto es? Cuarto is room. Okay, so cuál cuarto, cuál room, what room I am describing here. En este cuarto, I am describing 4 of them, and this is the bathroom over here, which is el baño. We got the master bedroom, el cuarto principal. We have the dining room, which is el comedor, dining room, comedor. And we got la sala, which is the living room. So, sala over here, comedor, baño, y cuarto principal. Which of the following cuartos I am describing? En el cuarto hay una lámpara, un ventilador, una cama y 2 cuadros. ¿Cuál cuarto es? Repito, una cama, un ventilador y 2 cuadros. ¿Cómo se llama ese cuarto? Si tu respuesta fue el cuarto principal, está correcto. If you answer el cuarto principal, that is the right answer. Okay, how about the next one? Number 2. We are doing what cuarto, qué cuarto estoy describiendo. Está una mesa, 4 sillas, una escoba, una lámpara y una puerta de vidrio. ¿Cuál cuarto es? Which room is it? Una mesa, 4 sillas, una lámpara, una escoba y una puerta de vidrio. ¿Cuál cuarto es? If you answer el comedor, that is the correct answer. Okay, very good. Muy bien. In this dialogue, I'm gonna go through the dialogue, but especially with the words, because my objective is that you continue learning vocabulary in every of the single dialogues or readings from the book. Okay, la señora García, she said, tenemos que comprar un ventilador para este ático. Remember, the verb tener is to have. So we have to buy a fan for this attic. El señor García responde, sí. Y bombillas nuevas también. Remember, the word nueva means new. No podemos limpiar con tantos muebles aquí, Mrs. García said. We cannot clean, no podemos limpiar con tantos muebles aquí. Tantos means too many. Tantos muebles aquí. Too many furniture here. We cannot clean with too many furniture here. La señora García dice, debemos sacar. And remember, deber is a duty, is kind of less mandatory that tenemos. Tenemos is we have to. Debemos is we should. Sacar, sacar, to take out. La alfombra, el sillón y el armario. Mr. Garcia is suggesting that we should take out of the room the carpet, the couch, and the furniture. ¿Cuántos muebles para llevar afuera? Dice Mrs. Garcia. How many furnitures in general to take out? Para llevar, to take out. Afuera, outside. Fuera, outside. Ay, no exageres. Please, do not exaggerate. No exageres. Repeat. No exageres. No exageres. No son tantos. There are not that many. No son tantos. There are not that many. Llevemos el armario y el sillón a la sala. Let's take el armario, this mueble, y el sillón a la sala. Where are they taking el armario y el sillón? They are taking it a la sala. What is la sala? The living room. Sí. Y también el cuadro. Remember, también is also. So, yes, and also el cuadro de la bisabuela y esas cortinas. cortinas, curtains. No, no. Insisto, I insist. En que pongas esas cortinas. En que pongas, I insist. In that you put, poner, pongas, poner, esas cortinas feas en la basura. Where is Mr. Garcia suggesting to put the curtains? En la basura, in the trash. Okay, so we have that first part of the exercise. The second part of the exercise is what do you remember? ¿Qué recuerdas? ¿Qué hace el señor y la señora García? Respond to the following questions. ¿Qué necesitan comprar para el ático el señor y la señora García? Remember, necesitar. To need. What do they need? In this case, what do they need to buy? Number 3. ¿Qué dice la señora García que deben sacar? The word dice is what do they say? What does Mrs. García say that they have to take out? ¿Dónde quieren llevar el señor García el cuadro de la bisabuela? And number 5. ¿En qué insiste la señora García? What is the meaning of this part of the question? ¿En qué insiste? So, what does Mrs. García insist about? ¿En qué insiste? Okay, perfect. Now, let's move on to number 5. Answer the following questions. You will respond to number 4 to number 5. Algo personal. ¿Tienes ático en tu casa? Okay, algo personal, something personal. Question number 1. ¿Tienes ático en tu casa? Do you have attic in your house? ¿Limpias tu ático o tu sótano cada año? Remember these two words, ático and sótano. They are pretty much opposite, if we could say, because attic is the top part of the house, and sótano, the bottom part of the house. ¿Te gustaría conocer a tus bisabuelos? Would you like to meet your great-grandparents? ¿Por qué? ¿Cómo es tu casa? Descríbela. Now, the last one, this question number 4, ask how is your house? Describe it. And you can describe it with how many rooms it has. And you can say if it has a porch or a garage or a backyard or a swimming pool, how many floors, does it have sótano, does it have attic. Okay, so describe how is your house in general. And last of the vocabulary in this video: la cortina, the curtain; la chimenea, the chimney; el despertador, the alarm clock; el armario, I think it's like a cabinet or furniture cabinet where you put your clothes; el ventilador, which is the fan; y la lavadora, the washer. Okay, through the entire video we now have covered not only vocabulary but as well some exercises that are in chapter 6. Now post the answers to the 3 sections explained in this chapter. Thank you and have a good day.